Good day, everyone. I am Marife Señoran, and today we will be discussing one of the most hard-working system in our body, the muscular system. The muscular system is like a complex network of tissues. It is our body's moving engine. Without it, we wouldn't be able to interact with the world because it is responsible for every movement we do, both the ones we see, like lifting weights, and the ones we don't see, like our internal body functions. Now, why is the system so important? It has four vital rules. The first, it enables movement. It allows us to walk, run, and move our limbs freely. The second one, it provides balance and postures. It is the reason why we can stand upright and stay steady. The third one is the heat production. Whenever our muscles move, they generate heat to keep our body temperature normal. And the fourth one, it maintains internal flow. It is responsible for moving food through our stomach and blood through our veins. These are three there are three distinct types of muscles that make all of this possible. The first one is the skeletal muscles. These are the ones attached to our bones. They handled our physical movement. The second one is the smooth muscles. These are found inside our internal organs, like the stomach. And the third one is the cardiac muscle. This is a very special type of muscle because it is found only in the heart. Let's take a closer look at the skeletal muscles, our moving engine. They are unique because they are voluntary. This means we control them with our thoughts. We choose to move them. They are attached to our bones by tendons. Tendons means connect muscle to muscle, or tendons connect muscle to bone, while ligaments connect bone to bone. Their main job is for external movements, like when we run, write, or just smile, or even just smile. To give you some familiar examples, here are some major muscles we use every day. The deltoid, here. This is the muscle in our shoulder that gives us power to move our arms. The second one, the pectoralis major. These are our chest muscles used for moving our arms inward. And the third one are the biceps and triceps. This one. These two work together as a team to bend and strengthen our elbows. So, the muscular system is more than just about strength. It is about life and motion. From the smallest smile to the beating of our hearts, our muscles make it all possible.
Major muscles, part 2. In this diagram highlights key skeletal muscles under specific functions, helping us understand how different muscle groups enable body movements. First is the rectus abdominis. Located in your abdomen, these muscles let you bend your upper body forward, such as when touching your toes or sitting up from lying down. Next is the latissimus dorsi. These large muscles span your back. They help pull your arms downward and backward, used in actions like pulling something toward you or climbing. Next is the quadriceps, found at the front of your thighs. These powerful muscles strengthen your knee, essential for walking, running, and standing up. Next is the hamstrings. Hamstrings positions at the back of your thighs. They work opposite the quadriceps by bending your knee, which happens when you walk, squat, or curl your leg. Next is the last one is the gastrocnemius. The main calf muscle. It supports you while standing and helps push off the ground when walking, running, or even jumping. This slide is the smooth muscle. Smooth muscle is one of the three main muscle types in the body, and it works differently from the muscles that we use to move our limbs. First is the involuntary action. You don't have to think about using these muscles. They work automatically, controlled by your nervous system without conscious effort. Next is the location. They form the walls of internal organs and structures, including the digestive tract, blood vessels, airways, bladder, and even parts of the eye and skin. Next is the appearance. Under a microscope, smooth muscle cells look smooth and uniform, unlike skeletal muscles which have visible stripes or striation. Next is the role of the cardiac muscle. These muscles keep your internal system running for 24 hours a day, whether you are awake or asleep, handling tasks like moving food, regulating blood flow, and controlling breathing passages. In this slide, we are going to talk about the smooth muscle examples. This table shows exactly where smooth muscle is found and the important job it does in different organs. First is the stomach. Smooth muscle contracts, relaxes to churn food, mixing it with digestive juices to break it down into smaller substances. Next is the intestines. Through a wave-like motion called peristalsis, smooth muscles pushes foods and waste through your digestive system so nutrients can be absorbed and waste can be removed. Next is the blood vessels. By changing their diameter, smooth muscle controls how much blood flows to different parts of the body, helping regulate blood pressure and supply oxygen where it's needed. Next is the bladder. When it's time to urinate, smooth muscle in the bladder wall contracts to push urine out of the body. Next and the last one is the uterus. During childbirth, strong rhythmic contractions of smooth muscle in the uterus helps push the baby out. It is common usually in female. In these slides, we are going to discuss about the cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscle is a specialized type of muscle found only in your heart, and it has unique features that keep you alive. First is the exclusive location. Unlike other muscles, cardiac muscle exists nowhere else in the body. Its only job is to make the heart work. Next is the non-stop function. It is involuntary, never tires, contracting continuously from before birth until the end of your life, without ever having to tell it to work. Next is pumping action. Every contraction squeezes the heart's chambers, pushing blood filled with oxygen and nutrients to every cell, tissue, and organ in your body. Next is the natural rhythm. Cardiac muscle cells have their own built-in rhythm, meaning they create electrical signals that make the heart beat in a steady, regular pattern to keep blood flowing consistently. Okay, the last slide is the conclusion. The summary emphasizes how vital the muscular system is to every part of our lives. It is described as the engine of life because almost everything your body does depends on the muscles, from the steady beating of your heart and the movement of food through your body, to small actions like blinking your eyes and big movements like running or lifting. Without muscles, he could not survive, move, or perform daily activities. The final message says, keep moving, keep healthy. It reminds us that using our muscles through regular activity keeps the whole system strong, supports overall health, and helps our bodies work their best. That is all for our discussion today. Thank you for listening. Okay, the last slide is the conclusion. This summary emphasizes how vital the muscular system is to every part of our lives. It is described as the engine of life because almost everything your body does depends on the muscles, from the steady beating of your heart and the movement of food through your body to small actions like blinking your eyes and big movements like running or lifting. Without muscles, he could not survive, move, or perform daily activities. The final message says, keep moving, keep healthy. It reminds us that using our muscles through regular activity keeps the whole system strong, supports overall health, and helps our bodies work their best. That is all for our discussion today. Thank you for listening.